Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am myself Ashish Rana and welcome again to my channel. Let's start steno. Today we are going to start our dictation from the Hindu newspaper whose topic will be modern symbol of Indian culture मोदी। जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं अब 5 तारीख को अयोध्या में भूमि पूजन हुआ था, तो उसी के ऊपर ये हम एक डिक्टेशन तैयार की है। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। 10 सेकंड्स, 5 सेकंड्स एंड स्टार्ट। PM launches construction of Ram Temple at Ayodhya, says it is the beginning of a golden chapter. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday formally launched the construction of a Ram Temple in Ayodhya, saying it would serve as a modern symbol of Indian culture, and with it the country was creating a golden chapter for itself. Ram Janambhoomi, the birthplace of Lord Ram, as believed by Hindus, had been liberated from the cycle of breaking and rising up again that had been going on for centuries, Mr. Modi said, terming it a historic moment. The centuries of wait is getting over today, he said after performing the Bhumi Pujan for the temple here in a tightly arranged event held amid COVID-19 patients. A grand temple would be built for our Ram Lalla, who had to live under a tent for years, the Prime Minister said, stressing that crores of people could hardly believe this was happening during their lifetime. Eternal faith. Mr. Modi emphasized the word modern and said the Ram Temple would become a symbol of our eternal faith, national sentiments, and collective willpower of crores of people. This temple will inspire the coming generation about faith, reverence, and resolve, he said, adding that the temple would not only augment the grandeur of Ayodhya but also change the economy of the entire region. New opportunities would emerge as people would come for a darshan of Lord Ram and Mata Janki from around the world, the Prime Minister said. The formal start of the temple's constructions come almost 28 years after Babri Masjid was demolished by a mob of car sevaks on December 6, 1992. A proud day, says Shah. It's a historic and proud day, Home Minister Amit Shah said. The temple construction had become a really because of Prime Minister Narendra Modi strong and decisive leadership. Ram cannot be inherited, Rahul, without mentioning the Bhumi Pujan. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi tweeted on Wednesday, Ram is love. He can never appear inherited. Ram is justice. He can never appear in injustice. Pak critics ceremony. Criticizing the event, the Pakistan Foreign Office said the extreme haste shown in the starting work on the temple on the Babri Masjid site amid the pandemic showed how Muslims in India were being marginalized. Full stop. सो फ्रेंड्स, ये थी हमारी द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर से डिक्टेशन अयोध्या के केस के बारे में। अगर आप लोगों को अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट ज़रूर करना। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। थैंक यू।